Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 11 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install Wallpapers Engine on this device and how to use it. So to use Wallpapers Engine, you need to open the Play Store and find here Wallpaper Engine. Find this application from Wallpaper Engine team and click Install. Click Open, and cool. Here, as you can see, we have the gallery of the wallpapers. If you will connect your Wallpaper Engine to the paid version of Wallpaper Engine on your PC from the Steam, so you will be able to use more live wallpapers, but here by default we have several wallpapers. We can create playlist, we can import files from the computer, or we can pair our Wallpapers Engine app with computer Wallpaper Engine app. And for example, I want to install Dino Run wallpaper. To do it, we just need to choose it and click on the right corner on OK button. But now, of course, we can move it. For example, I want to use Dino Nut on the center of my screen, but on the left side, for example. Now click OK. Click OK. Check how it will look on your wallpaper. Click Apply. You can set it to the home screen or to the home and lock screens. I want to use for home screen only. Cool. Now go back, and as you can see now, on my lock screen I have normal wallpapers, but on my home screen I have Dino, and when I see the coin I can jump to catch it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.